This 2015 Chevrolet Camaro is brought to you by Auto Gallery Chicago. 2SS Commemorative Special Edition Navigation System, Rear View Camera, Boston Acoustic Premium Sound System, Heads-Up Display, Power Sliding Sunroof, Heated Front Seats, Xenon Headlights, 6.2L V8 Engine, Automatic Transmission, Keyless Entry, Cruise Control, Power Windows, Power Door Locks, Black Exterior, Black Two-Tone Leather Interior. Please feel free to call us at 630-628-1400 with any question you might have, or ask us for detail walk around. We hope you are our next satisfied online buyer at Auto Gallery Chicago. We strive to provide you with the best quality vehicles for the lowest possible price, and this 2015 Chevrolet Camaro 2SS is no exception. We provide low-cost worldwide shipping directly to your chosen destination. Although Auto Gallery Chicago prides itself on accuracy in our descriptions and amp pricing, on occasion, mistakes can happen. Please verify all descriptions and pricing. In the event of a mistake, Auto Gallery Chicago is not responsible for errors. We also reserve the right to withdraw. Visit us at autogallerychicago.com.